Happy video day, guys. We are gonna get into Boxycharm. I just literally walked outside and picked up my Boxycharm for August. I knew this was coming today, but I thought it was gonna come in the morning like typically, but it's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon and it just arrived. So I'm pretty upset at FedEx right now. But I never get my Boxycharm early. And I guess technically it's not that early, but it's pretty early for me. So I wanted to film this video as quick as I can so I can show you guys what's inside of this box. So I have the August Boxycharm sitting right in front of me. So we're gonna go through every single one of the items. I'm gonna show you guys everything I got inside of my box. I'm pretty excited for this month. I'm crossing my fingers it's good. I feel like last month was really good for me, but the rest of the months have been pretty like, you know, so I'm hoping that this is a good box. So if you guys are new and you've never seen me before, I'm Christina Brooke. I love to talk about makeup on the channel and I sprinkle in some fashion on the weekend. So if you guys like those things, hit the subscribe button, join the family. I do have a nice little giveaway going on right now, so you can check that out as well. And let's get into the box. Let's get into it right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this sucker open. I don't think I saw too many sneak peeks except for the item that I requested to be in this box. So that's the only thing I think I'm getting. But I don't know if that's like confirmed that you get those things. This month is this. It says Spa, Glamping, Sunbathe, Yoga, Slumber. So I guess it's a summer theme box. I got variation number 2, so that's actually pretty good. Usually I get like number 57. There's been so many variations lately. So I do see the item already, the one that I picked. So I'm pretty excited. Ooh, this might be a decent box this month. I'm interested. Okay, so the first thing is this. So this I'm so excited to try out. I'm gonna be using this in a try new makeup video. I wanted to use it in this video, but honestly, FedEx just came way too late to do a try on. So this is the Too Faced Super Coverage Multi-Sculpting Concealer, and I requested for this one, and I got it in golden beige. So it looks just like this. So you guys know this concealer. This was like the concealer of concealers a few years back. I feel like, yeah, this has to be the old one. This is a Conceal, Contour, Highlight, and Retouch Concealer, and it's a natural finish concealer, and it retails for $29 US. I always wanted this, and I never picked it up, so honestly, this has me very excited that it's in the box. Let's just kind of like check out the color and see the coverage really quick. So I feel like, okay, so the color is a little bit on the deeper side for me, but I think that's okay because lately I haven't been putting on so much makeup, so I like for my concealer to match my skin tone a little bit better so that I don't have like very strong under eyes, especially when I'm wearing a tinted moisturizer. So I'm excited for this. It looks like the color may match me. If I were to have picked it, I might have picked it just a tad lighter, but I think this might go good, especially for my summer months. So I'm excited to try this out. Seems like it's pretty full coverage, so I'm excited. Guys, if I look a little tan today, I was outside shooting some images and I literally was gonna put on some powder before filming and I picked up my bronzer. So I re-bronzed my face for you guys. So anyways, let's see what we got here next. Okay, so here is the Realher I Am Inspiring Defining Brow Pencil. Interesting. I wonder what color they sent me. So I actually have been contemplating going a tad lighter with my brow pencil. My hair is actually growing out right now, so you can't really tell, but I usually have like baby blonde highlights, and I wanted to see if maybe going a tad bit lighter with the pencil. So let's see what color they gave me. I have no idea. So it looks like this, and it says Realher on it. It has a little spoolie on one side and the brow pencil on the other, which actually it looks like it's kind of like a brown color. It almost looks like the same color that I usually wear. So ooh, it's a little bit deeper. It almost looks like it could be black. So it does look like it might be a little deeper, maybe a little darker than I typically wear, which actually was not what I was wanting. I was hoping it would be a little lighter, but it's the Definer Brow Pencil. It's a long-lasting micro tip pencil and allows for a creative individual like hairs. Retails for $16. You know what? I think I'm probably gonna give this a go. I have been really into doing very small brow hairs in the front of my eyebrows, and I love the way it looks, but even my Anastasia Brow Wiz, which is super thin, is not thin enough to do like the perfect job. This one actually looks like it has a very thin tip, like almost like the Anastasia, but maybe even thinner. Maybe I'll give it a little whirl for doing that. Maybe it'll work out. I'll try that out for you guys. I'll let you guys know. So the next thing that we got in here is the Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. So this is interesting. I didn't know this was going to be in here either. So it's from Minetan Body Skin Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. Greet the day with the glowing skin Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. So it has hyaluronic acid, delivering time-releasing multi-depth hydration for a fully hydrated skin, and it retails for $44.95. So these are the kind of products that I love to keep for you guys for giveaways, even though I do like to try some every once in a while. I know how hard it is for people to get skincare, so this is interesting. It really is. But I'm gonna go ahead and hold on to that one. The next thing that we got in here is from Clarins. Ooh, that's very interesting. So Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector retails for $26. It's a natural lip perfector, so you can go bold with a matte finish. It does look like maybe it's hot pink. You guys know how much I love hot pink. So this casing actually is really cute. It reminds me of like what Fenty's doing now. Let's see. Okay, so let's just squeeze this out and let's take a little look-see. Actually, you know what? This actually might be a very wearable pink, to be honest. This actually might be pretty. At first I thought it was gonna be like a neon hot pink, but this is more like a plum wine color. I think I could actually wear this and I probably would like it because I do like plummy wines on the lips. Today, I was wearing a Jeffree Star liquid lip. It's kind of gone already because I've been wearing it for so long. And let's see, what's the last thing we got in here? Ooh, Violet Voss, the Essentials 2. Interesting. That's interesting. What does that look like? Guys, this was a pretty good box. What do you think so far? So far, I'm thinking I like this box. Okay, open up. I like Violet Voss's formula. I've had, I think, didn't we get the Essentials 1 in this, like, last month? I think I gave that away in a giveaway. But let's see what this one looks like. Ooh. Oh, look at that. So look how pretty that is. Oh, actually, that's actually quite pretty. I think I like that because I mean, the powdery blue I probably would never use, but I do like these type of purples here. I love these brown neutrals. Like if you were to literally cover up these right here, that's a very pretty neutral palette. I like this. I think I'm going to try this out. Let me see. So this right here retails for $36 US. 10 eyeshadow pans of pure bliss provide all the everyday hues you need to create your go-to soft glam. So that's really interesting too. So I actually like this. That's a lot prettier than I thought it would be. When I first opened it, I wasn't sure, but this tone right here, I'm just going to swatch this a little bit. This tone right here looks incredibly beautiful. This aqua, that's like my type of tone. It almost looks like a sage. Ooh. And then this copper, look at those two tones together. That's beautiful. Let's see, a nice chocolate. Those three tones right there, guys, that is stunning. I love that. I love that. Look at that. That is beautiful. I love those tones. They swatched amazing. So yeah, you know what I'm going to do, because I know a few of you guys would probably want me to try this on my Instagram at Christina Brooke Beauty. Tomorrow, I'm going to post for you guys an Instagram showing you guys me trying all of these items on, the ones that I'm going to keep. So I'm definitely going to be keeping this one. I'll try this one on for you. I'll put on this right here for you. I'll try this one on for you. And I'll probably also try the eyebrow pencil. So I'll try all of those for you. Like I said, I'll probably keep this for a giveaway. So if you guys want to see me trying all of these, I'll create a cool eye look and all that good stuff for you guys. So follow me over on Instagram at Christina Brooke Beauty. I'm going to put that up over there tomorrow. So yeah, I'm going to probably put a little video together for you guys over there on me trying on all these items for you guys and do like a really cool look. And then I'll give you guys some updates on my Insta stories. But I love that color combination. I'm very pleased. So the total of this box was this amount right here, and I can already tell that's going to be way more than the $25 that we paid for this box. And guys, this box was amazing. I loved it. I honestly love it. I love that there was a high-end concealer that's highly raved inside of there. This eyeshadow palette is a lot more beautiful than I think people are going to give it credit for, especially the colors. The colors look gorgeous in it. This actually looks like it could be a really nice product, and I love that it's from Clarins. And then, you know, eyebrow pencil. Everybody, I mean, an eyebrow pencil. At least the best thing in the box is not the eyebrow pencil. So this was a great box. Great box. I loved my box. I want to know from you guys down below, did you guys love your box? And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, Christina Brooke Beauty. I'm going to do a really cool eye look for you guys. Since I will be doing a fun eye look, I want to know from you guys down below right now. Let me know what kind of eye look you guys want to see me do, which colors you want me to use, and I'll do something fun for you guys. But I'm really excited, especially from those three that I swatched. And let me tell you, the swatches are great. So Anyways, guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you guys thought and if you guys got a good box, but I am super, super happy right now. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.